Hey there, fellow adventurers. We all love a good campfire, right? But let's be honest, hauling firewood can be a real pain. Arms full of logs, bark scratching your skin, pieces dropping everywhere. Not exactly the relaxing campfire experience we dream of. It's frustrating, it's messy, and let's face it, it can even be dangerous if you're not careful. Who wants to trip and fall with a load of firewood on top of them? Not me, and I bet not you either. But don't worry, I've got your back. There's a better way and it's easier than you think. Forget those awkward armfuls and endless trips back and forth. We're going to bundle that firewood up tight and carry it with ease, just like a pro. This simple hack uses a loop of rope to create a secure handle for your firewood. It's quick, it's effective, and it'll change the way you think about carrying firewood forever. Get ready to say goodbye to firewood frustration and hello to campfire bliss. You won't believe how easy this is. Here's what you'll need. Rope, about 5 to 6 feet long, should do the trick. Don't worry too much about the type, as long as it's strong enough to hold the weight of your firewood. Firewood, obviously. Gather up a good armful of logs, that's it. No fancy equipment, no special tools, just you, some rope, and your firewood. Ready to make your life easier? Let's dive into creating your very own firewood bundle, a simple yet effective way to manage your firewood. First, let's create that firewood bundle loop. Lay out your rope on the ground, making sure it's straight and free of any tangles. Find a flat surface and lay your rope out straight. Make a loop by folding one end of the rope back on itself. Fold one end of the rope back on itself, creating a loop about a foot long. This loop will be the base for your firewood bundle. Now place your firewood. Lay your firewood logs side by side within the loop, making sure they're nice and snug. This ensures that the bundle will be stable and easy to carry. Next, thread and pull. Take the long end of the rope and thread it through the loop you created. This step is crucial for securing the firewood. Then, pull it tight, cinching the firewood together. Make sure the rope is snug around the logs to prevent them from shifting. Now tie it off. Tie a secure knot at the end of the rope to keep everything in place. A good knot will ensure that your bundle stays intact during transport. Congratulations, you've just created your very own firewood bundle. This simple method makes it easy to handle and store your firewood, keeping your outdoor space organized and efficient. Section 5. Make it last. Tips for a stronger firewood bundle. Want to make your bundle extra tough? Here are a few tips. First, double up the rope. For heavier loads, use a doubled over length of rope for added strength. Next, knot it tight. Make sure that final knot is super secure. A square knot or a double overhand knot will do the trick. And finally, check for wear and tear. Before each use, give your rope a quick inspection. Replace it if you see any fraying or damage. Section 6. No rope? No problem. Finding what works. Don't have any rope on hand? No worries, get creative. Here are a few alternatives. Look for a strong, flexible vine in your backyard or the woods. An old leather belt can make a surprisingly strong firewood carrier. Bundle your firewood in a tarp or blanket and secure it with knots at each end. Section 7. Why this works. Science of a simple solution. This hack is all about leverage and distribution of weight. By bundling the firewood together and creating a secure handle, you're making it much easier to lift and carry. The loop distributes the weight evenly across your hand, reducing strain and making it more comfortable to carry those heavy loads. Plus, it keeps everything organized and prevents those pesky logs from rolling away. Section 8. Safety first. Smart tips for happy firewood hauling. Remember, safety always comes first. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Just like when you're lifting anything heavy, bend at the knees and use your leg muscles, not your back. Be mindful of uneven ground and obstacles in your path. Only carry what you can comfortably manage. It's better to make a few trips than risk injury. Section 9. Get bundling, your fire's waiting. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to conquer the firewood struggle. No more frustration, no more mess, just you and a perfectly bundled armful of firewood, ready to fuel your next campfire adventure. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Your back and your campfire will thank you. Section 10. Advanced firewood bundling techniques. In this section, we will delve deeper into the art of bundling firewood, exploring methods that not only make the process more efficient, but also easier on your body. Now that you've mastered the basic firewood bundle, let's take it up a notch. Advanced techniques can save you time and effort, making your firewood bundles more compact and easier to handle. Here are some advanced techniques to make your firewood bundles even more efficient and easier to carry. These methods will help you maximize space and ensure your bundles are secure. First, try using a carabiner to create a quick-release handle. This simple tool can make a big difference in how you manage your firewood. Simply clip the carabiner to the loop of rope, and you've got an instant handle that's easy to grab and release. This makes it much more convenient to carry your bundles, especially over longer distances. Next, consider using a bungee cord instead of rope. Bungee cords are not only stretchy but also incredibly versatile, allowing you to secure your firewood tightly. Bungee cords are stretchy and can provide a tighter, more secure bundle. They are also easier to adjust and can accommodate different sizes of firewood, making them a great alternative to traditional rope. Finally, if you're dealing with particularly heavy loads, try using a dolly or hand truck to transport your firewood. This tool can significantly reduce the physical strain on your body. This can save your back and make the process even more efficient. A dolly or hand truck allows you to move larger quantities of firewood with minimal effort, making it an invaluable tool for anyone who frequently handles firewood. So there you have it. These advanced techniques will not only make your firewood bundling more efficient, but also more enjoyable. With these advanced techniques, you'll be the firewood bundling expert in no time. Happy bundling. Remember, the key is to work smarter, not harder. Section 11. Firewood storage tips. Storing firewood properly is essential for ensuring that it remains dry, burns efficiently, and is ready to use whenever you need it. Whether you use firewood for heating your home, for a cozy fireplace, or for outdoor fire pits, proper storage can make a significant difference. Proper storage is key to keeping your firewood dry and ready to use. Wet or damp firewood can be difficult to light and can produce more smoke, which is not ideal for indoor or outdoor fires. Here are some tips for storing your firewood. These tips will help you maintain the quality of your firewood and ensure it is always in the best condition for burning. First, always stack your firewood off the ground. This is crucial because direct contact with the ground can cause the wood to absorb moisture, leading to rot and decay. Use a pallet or some other raised platform to keep the wood from absorbing moisture from the ground. This also helps with air circulation, which is important for drying the wood. Next, cover the top of your firewood stack with a tarp or other waterproof cover. This will protect the wood from rain and snow, keeping it dry, but leave the sides open to allow for air circulation. Proper ventilation is essential to prevent mold and mildew from forming on the wood. This will help the wood dry out and prevent mold and rot. Ensuring good airflow around your firewood stack is one of the best ways to keep it in top condition. Finally, store your firewood away from your home to avoid attracting pests like termites and ants. These pests can cause damage to your home if they migrate from the firewood stack. By following these simple storage tips, you can ensure that your firewood remains in excellent condition, ready to use whenever you need it. You'll ensure that your firewood is always in the best condition, providing you with efficient and enjoyable fires. Ready to fuel those cozy fires whenever you need them. Happy storing. Remember, well-stored firewood not only burns better but also saves you time and effort in the long run. Section 12. Choosing the right firewood. Not all firewood is created equal. Here are some tips for choosing the best firewood for your needs. First, consider the type of wood. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and hickory burn longer and hotter than softwoods like pine and spruce. Next, make sure the wood is properly seasoned. Freshly cut wood contains a lot of moisture and won't burn well. Look for wood that has been cut and dried for at least 6 months. Finally, avoid wood that has been treated with chemicals or paint, as these can release harmful fumes when burned. Section 13. Firewood safety tips. Safety is always a priority when dealing with firewood. Here are some important safety tips to keep in mind. First, always wear gloves when handling firewood to protect your hands from splinters and cuts. Next, be mindful of your surroundings when carrying firewood. Watch out for obstacles and uneven ground to avoid tripping and falling. Finally, never leave a fire unattended. Always make sure your campfire is completely extinguished before leaving the area. Section 14. Fun firewood facts. Did you know that firewood has been used as a source of heat and energy for thousands of years? Here are some fun facts about firewood. First, the word cord is used to measure firewood and refers to a stack of wood that is 4 feet high, 4 feet wide, and 8 feet long. Next, different types of wood produce different colors of flames. For example, pine produces a bright yellow flame, while oak produces a more subdued orange flame. Finally, firewood can be used for more than just heating and cooking. It can also be used to create beautiful wood carvings and other crafts.